Hi friends, it's Tim Clegg, the Marketing Communications Specialist at Janitorial Manager. One of the most talked about pain points in the commercial cleaning industry this year is asset tracking. Well, with Janitorial Manager's new equipment tracking system, it's the newest solution for your organization to be able to keep track of your crucial assets. This month on Wednesday, November 29th, Janitorial Manager is hosting a free webinar to give you the information you need to thrive into the new year.
With Janitorial Manager's asset tracking, the unknowns become a thing of the past. You're now able to see where all your pieces of equipment are at. What's the cost? How much did you spend at the original? How much are you spending to keep it going? And how much do you need to spend to actually replace it?
With asset tracking, you're going to have the knowledge and reporting needed to make the best decision for your cleaning operations.
Don't forget to register for the webinar on Wednesday, November 29th. Even if you can't make it, we encourage you to register because we will still email you a link where you can watch the webinar in its entirety. Reporting live at ISSA 2023, I'm Tim Clegg for Janitorial Manager.